In this video, I'm going to show you how to use cards to play some math games. And we're going to start with one that is really familiar, I think, to most people. And the game is called War. And the way you play, you can play with regular cards or Uno cards. I like Uno cards better because Uno cards include a 0 and a 1, and just regular cards don't. If you play with regular cards, you can leave the face cards in if you want, or you can take them out. It doesn't matter. I usually take them out when we're just talking about numbers because I like to make 2-digit numbers with mine, and the face cards and the 10 cards don't lend themselves to that. Uno cards, though, I love because they have 0s and 1s, so you can make absolutely any number using Uno cards. So the way you play War is each person, usually you play with 2 people, get a stack of cards, and each person flips one over, and the bigger card takes the smaller card. So the 9 would take the 8 in this case, and that person gets to add these 2 cards back to their stack. So you do it again, that takes it, and so your goal is to get all of the cards in your stack and take them away from your opponent. Now, I like to mix it up a little bit and flip over and make 2-digit numbers instead of just 1-digit numbers. So in this case, 88 would win, so 88 takes all of them. And you can play where you have to flip over the first card being the 10s place and the second card being the 1s place, or you can play that whatever you flip, you can reorder it to make the biggest number possible. So that person wins. So like in this case, if we played it the other way, 79 would win over 64, but if I change it around, you know, that doesn't mean anybody different's going to win, but it might at some point in some circumstance. Like this one, for instance. If we just played where the first one is the 10s place, the second one's the 1s place, then you've got 28 and 26. But if you change them around, now that's a much bigger advantage. Okay, you can do that with 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, as far as you want to go, and you can play it with regular cards or Uno cards. Just when you play with Uno cards, again, of course, make sure that you take out all the special cards and get rid of those. Another thing you could do to add a little bit of extra math skills, if you're playing this, is to add in less than, greater than, and equal to cards, which you can just make yourself. I just cut a piece of paper into fourths, and then you would have to put the symbol in there the right way and say the whole number sentence, 9 is greater than 0, before you can take the cards into your pile. So 7 is greater than 4. I'm going to take that. Uh-oh. How many more? 1 is less than 9. So now this person gets it. And just keep playing and playing. And again, you can do 2-digit numbers if you want. And so in this case, if it was just you play it how it comes out, then the person on the left would win because 53 is greater than 36. But if you play it where you can arrange the cards however you want, then this person could flip their cards around and make 63, and now all of a sudden they're the winner.